In this video, we will cover how to change seasons, remove seasons, and set the new season reminder on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Management, press the Season tab. From this screen, we can add a new season, set the new season reminder, and delete a season. To add a new season, press the green plus button and enter in the new season name. And press the green check mark after this is done. And as you can see, our new season has been listed and is set as active. To set a prior season to be the active season, press that season and press the Set Active button. Press the green check mark, and this is now your active season. To delete a season, press on the season that you wish to delete and press the red minus button. Press the green check mark and your season has now been deleted. To set the new season reminder, press the season reminder button and set the month and the day that you wish for this reminder to be present. Once this has been set, press the green check mark and your reminder has been set. We have now covered how to change seasons, remove seasons, and set the new season reminder on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.